Hello, it's break time, and here's the Marvel Superheroes Mighty Micros Hulk vs. Ultron set. This set is for ages 5 to 12 and is numbered 76066. And it comes with 80 pieces. Now let's open the box and take a look at what's inside. There are 2 bags of Lego bricks and 2 instruction sheets. Now let's pour out the bricks and start building. And the first minifigure is Hulk, and he's carrying a chicken leg. And the next minifigure is Ultron, and he's holding a wrench. And now to build Hulk's vehicle. And Hulk's vehicle is mostly purple and green in color, corresponding with the minifigure. And on the hood is a large grey vent. And on both sides are 2 large green fists to give the enemy a good pounding. And hidden behind the vent is a green windshield. And in the back is a black steering wheel and standing room for Hulk. And that's the Hulk vehicle. And next to build Ultron's vehicle. And Ultron's vehicle features movable tentacles on both sides. And in the front are a pair of orange headlights and horns. And in the back appears to be a tail, like a scorpion's sting. And let's get Ultron into his vehicle. And that's the completed build and review of this set. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Please subscribe to my channel and leave your comments. I hope to see you soon next break time. Goodbye.